This is the PPC Plastic Plane Company EasyJet Airbus A320neo in 1/200 scale. This model comes as a snap-fit kit that you can put together easily with no glue required. The wings just snap onto the body as so. And the tail does as well. Now that the model is completely put together, as you can see, there is no landing gear on this particular model. You can see the EasyJet logo and livery and the registration number on this aircraft, which is G-UZLM. Now, you can see the stand comes in two separate parts, which I will now fit together. And as you see on the stand, it says EasyJet Airbus A320neo. And the stand just clips onto the model itself. Now you can see the model is fitted on the stand, and roughly this model has a wingspan of 17.9 centimeters and is about 18.8 centimeters long. Available now from modelcorner.co.uk.